Hey friends, welcome to AR Robotics. Today's video I will show you how to make a smart dustbin using Arduino. So friends, for this project you will need Arduino Nano, Ultrasonic Sensor, 9GR Servo Motar, Arduino Cable, cardboard, dustbin, and jumper wire. This is circuit diagram of today's project. Now do all the wiring connection. After completing the wiring connection, now Arduino connect with laptop and open the source code of our today's project. Now go to Tools, select board Arduino Nano, port COM4 and upload the program. Now uploading is done and project is ready for testing, so test it. That's all today's project. Thanks for watching.